I am really loving this Redken acidic bonding concentrate. I flat iron my hair a lot, and so I like to kind of stay ahead of the damage and use a nice bonding treatment. And this one definitely does the trick. It comes out as a cream, and the instructions are to put this on damp hair. So I like to dampen my hair just a bit, and I put this throughout my ends, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes before I shampoo my hair and do my routine in the shower. And my hair is protected and my ends are kept much nicer than if I were to not use anything at all to help build the bonds in my hair. So if you are looking for an easy to use bonding helper for your hair, I 100% recommend this one by Redken.